Hello po sa ating mga followers. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Samahan niyo po muli ako sa video ito mula sa simula hanggang sa huli. Ang nakaraan nating video ay ang title po ay 10 Tips to Balance sa Study, Work, and Family Life. Ngayon, tatalakayin po natin ang stress relievers. Una ay ibibigay ko po sa inyo ang context ng stress. Ano po yung stress? A state of mental or emotional strain or tension resulting from adverse or demanding circumstances. Ang source po niyan from Oxford Dictionary. And then, ito po ang karagdagang information. Ito quote-unquote from healthdirect.gov.eu. Stress is a common and normal physical response to challenging or new situations. Everyone experiences stress differently. Stress can be a positive reaction when it helps motivate you and helps you to overcome challenges. Stress becomes problematic when it makes you feel overwhelmed or continues for a long time. With the right relaxation techniques or professional help, the negative long-term effect of stress can be prevented. Okay po. Ibibigay ko naman po sa inyo ang context ng reliever. What is reliever? Something or someone that relieves pain, distress, or difficulty. Ang source po niyan from Oxford Dictionary. So, ibig sabihin ng reliever, anuman o sino man na makapagbibigay sa iyo ng ginhawa, mabawasan ang iyong stress at maging masaya ka, yun po ang reliever. Stress is not the enemy and manage stress is. Here are the practical and realistic stress relievers you can actually apply. Okay po. First, physical stress relievers. Release tension. This reduces stress hormones immediately. Walking even 20 to 30 minutes. Light exercise or gym. Stretching before sleep. Deep breathing. Use the 4x4x4 method. Inhale 4 seconds. Hold 4 seconds. And exhale 4 seconds. And also enough sleep. Movement resets your nervous system. Okay po. Number 2, mental stress relievers. Clear the mind. Write down your worries. Plan tomorrow the night before. Break big tasks into small steps. Focus on one task at a time. Limit social media scrolling. So, clarity reduces anxiety. Next po, emotional stress relievers. Recharge the heart. Talk to someone you trust. Quality time with family, prayer or meditation, listening to calming music, or gratitude practice, writing 3 things daily. So, connection reduces pressure. Okay? And number 4, strategic stress relievers. Prevent future stress. This is a powerful for working student. Start assignment early. Communicate early when conflict appear. Budget your money. Say no when needed. Protect important tasks before they become urgent. Most stress comes from delay. What not to use as stress relievers? Emotional eating, ignoring problems, and others. Here are the simple daily reset routine. 50 minutes. If you're very busy, 5 minutes deep breathing, 5 minutes stretching, and 5 minutes planning tomorrow. Small habits, big results. Okay po. My stress relievers and study techniques are playing music. Let's say for the calculation, let's say I'm doing mathematics. I'm playing music, slow rock and rock. And then let's say solving problems. I'm playing music, jazz, melody, and old songs. And then let's say if I'm dealing with complex and sensitive problems, I'm walking in the park or in the beach, and let's say deep down solving problems, I prepared in the quiet place with fresh air. And then eating chocolates and ice cream, drinking coffee or cappuccino, and eating banana. Yan po. Other stress relievers like watching fish in the aquarium, house cleaning, cooking, and others. So I mentioned the other stress relievers. This is the one I've learned from other fellow Filipinos, that house cleaning is one of their stress relievers, and also cooking. Okay po. So final reminder, stress means you care, but growth require control, not chaos. Ano ang inyong stress relievers? Pakilagay po sa comment, at makatulong po ito sa ating mga kasama. Mga kababayan, sa masusunod na video ay doon natin tatalakayin study with resilience. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta. Paki-subscribe po ang ating YouTube video channel na ito. Paki-like, comments, and share po sa ating mga kababayan. Naway, nakapagbigay ako sa inyo ng inspirasyon. Maraming salamat po.